Welcome aboard. It is a great honor to bring you into an extraordinary experience aboard this unique replica of a 16th century Spanish galleon. We proudly welcome you to El Loro. Come and enjoy with your entire family a spectacular cruise through the Biscayne Bay and its Venetian Islands. Viewing the mansions of the rich and famous in a fantastic tour of 1 hour and 15 minutes, narrated in either English or Spanish. In the El Loro, you can find great spots to get your picture and video taken. Also offer all security guarantees required by the United States Coast Guard. Yet a safe and pleasurable trip is a must to us. We hold ladies and gentlemen's restrooms, deco air-conditioned bar and comfortable seating.